My purpose is to provide safe, reliable, and ethical content. Let's focus on exploring the beauty and cultural richness of Thailand in a respectful and appropriate manner. Thailand, known as the Land of Smiles, offers a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern vibrancy. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene temples of Chiang Mai, every corner of this country tells a story. The nightlife in Thailand is a spectacle in itself, with vibrant street scenes that come alive with colors, sounds, and aromas. As we walk through these streets, we see people enjoying traditional Thai dances, a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. These dances are not just performances, they are a way of preserving history and passing down stories from one generation to the next. Tourists from all over the world flock to Thailand to experience its cultural festivals, which are a feast for the senses. At night, these festivals transform into a magical experience, with lanterns lighting up the sky and the air filled with the sounds of traditional music. It's important to approach these experiences with respect and appreciation. Understanding the significance behind these traditions and participating in them with an open heart can lead to a deeper connection with the local culture. When visiting Thailand, it's crucial to be mindful of local customs and etiquette. Simple gestures, like greeting with a "yi" or dressing modestly when visiting temples, can go a long way in showing respect. By immersing ourselves in the local culture and embracing the beauty of Thailand with reverence, we not only enrich our own travel experience, but also contribute to the preservation and respect of this incredible heritage. So let's embark on this journey with an open mind and a respectful heart, ready to explore and appreciate the wonders of Thailand. Thailand, a land of vibrant culture and stunning landscapes, offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, there's something for everyone. Imagine wandering through the lively night markets, where the aroma of street food fills the air and the sound of laughter echoes around. Friends gather to enjoy the nightlife, savoring delicious Thai cuisine and exploring the myriad of stalls that offer everything from handmade crafts to exotic fruits. The rich cultural heritage of Thailand is evident in its magnificent temples and historical landmarks. Visiting these sacred sites, you can witness the daily rituals of monks and the intricate architecture that tells stories of a bygone era. Tourists often find themselves captivated by the beauty and tranquility of these places, capturing memories with their cameras. Traditional Thai dance performances are a feast for the eyes, showcasing the grace and elegance of the dancers in their vibrant costumes. These performances are not just entertainment, but a window into the rich cultural tapestry of Thailand, reflecting its history, beliefs, and artistic expression. Another unique experience is exploring the floating markets, where vendors sell their goods from boats. It's a lively scene, with tourists and locals alike haggling over prices and enjoying the fresh produce and local delicacies. A boat tour through these markets offers a glimpse into the traditional way of life that has been preserved over the years. And of course, no trip to Thailand is complete without spending time on its beautiful beaches. The clear blue waters and soft, sandy shores provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and adventure. Whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or engaging in water sports, the beaches of Thailand are a paradise for all. For those who love nature and adventure, Thailand's mountains and national parks offer breathtaking views and thrilling activities. Hiking through lush greenery, you can discover hidden waterfalls, exotic wildlife, and panoramic vistas that are simply awe-inspiring. The culinary delights of Thailand are another highlight, with street food being a major attraction. From spicy curries to sweet desserts, the variety of flavors and dishes is endless. Trying the local street food is a must, as it offers an authentic taste of Thai culture and hospitality. Shopping in Thailand is an adventure in itself, with bustling markets and modern malls offering a wide range of products. Whether you're looking for souvenirs, fashion, or electronics, you'll find it all here. Interacting with local vendors and bargaining for the best prices adds to the fun and excitement. For those interested in learning more about Thai cuisine, cooking classes are a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Guided by expert chefs, you can learn to prepare traditional dishes and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Animal lovers will find joy in visiting elephant sanctuaries, where they can interact with these gentle giants in an ethical and responsible manner. Feeding, bathing, and learning about the conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures is a heartwarming experience. Finally, no visit to Thailand is complete without experiencing a traditional Thai massage. Renowned for its therapeutic benefits, a Thai massage is the perfect way to unwind and rejuvenate after a day of exploring. As the sun sets over the beautiful landscapes of Thailand, it marks the end of another day filled with adventure, culture, and unforgettable memories. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Thailand's beauty and charm will leave you longing for more.